This turns a simple kit into a proper IPA. Start by cleaning and sterilizing all your equipment properly. Pour the liquid malt extract into a fermentation bucket and add hot water to dissolve it. Add your brewing sugar and stir everything until fully mixed. Top up with cold water and stir well to combine. Now stir vigorously to oxygenate the mixture and get fermentation started strong. Check the temperature is below 25 degrees before adding the yeast. Sprinkle in the yeast, stir gently, then fit the lid and airlock. Leave it somewhere warm to ferment. After a few days, we'll see bubbling as fermentation begins. As it slows down, add the hops on top to boost flavour and aroma. Leave it a few more days until fermentation is complete. Carefully siphon into bottles, leaving the sediment behind. Seal and leave to condition until ready. Now chill it down. Pour into a glass. Golden IPA. Flowing with a foamy head forming on top. Fresh hoppy aroma coming through. Check the link in the description to get this kit and start brewing.